Another kit from Reed Tools. Let's see what we got in here. Bag of some hardware. Casting. Another casting. Let's have a little bit of fun with these. One side done. He's hot. We need it cool. 3 sides done. 1 more to go. That one looks a little different, doesn't it? So now that those are semi-pretty, thought about going through and actually polishing them, but then decided, just leave them the way they are. Ooh. Just a little bit. There we go. See, that's what I want right there. That's pleasant. Just clean that surface just a hair. Well, that should be it then. That one was easy. Nice. And it should be really nice and tight, just the way I like it. I like using those compression tabs. Now we've got this. To be able to hold on to little things. So it's just over 0.6. Little piece. I think it's going that way. Fits. Now let's take it out and glue it. Don't need much. Make sure it's touching every edge. Set it on. Why am I veering? That's what I'm looking for. Now, do they both fit inside of that? Yes. Sure enough. Got plenty of space in there. So something around there. Be right there. There's the backing. So something around there-ish. Needs to come down to here. There. Here and here. So there's my tip, and that's Not gonna be very useful right there. Then let's try it like this. So we're gonna actually bring it back a little bit. So I want it to be a little more acute. So I'm gonna get it close with this and then come back and file it, because going against the grain is really dumb. I don't know why I didn't even think about it beforehand. Make sure the grain's running in the right direction. A bit more. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Right there. To you. A little bit of a crack. Let's fix that. That's a lot. One bolt through, 2 bolts through, (18 5/8) and 18 and woo, that's almost 6/8. That's out of square. 16 and just a hair over 5/8, and we're 16 and a little longer than 5/8. So there you have it, a very, very traditional style pinch rod. These you would have found in every toolbox in the past. They are a really, really common tool. And then a less simple one, as well as one that we did a few weeks back. Jeff from Reed Plains is the one who actually made the designs for this, and he has kits that you can get and make these yourself for any of these designs, as well as just the plans for this one. All of those are available on woodbywright.com. There's links to that down below, so you can get the plans or you can get the kits. He has done an amazing amount of work to actually get these together and do some of the designs. Just really interesting, cool tools that used to be incredibly common, and they aren't as much anymore. And I want to actually try and bring that back. because there are a lot of uses for these that we just have overlooked and have tried to find other ways that don't work quite as well. So you'll be seeing these coming more into the shop, and I absolutely love pinch rods. They're a lot of fun. Hope you like them as well. If you have any other questions, thoughts, ideas, Jeff also reads through the comments, so if you want to talk to him, you can throw a comment down below, and that does actually help out the channel. So thank you for that. Anytime you hit a comment or the like, share, subscribe, those things help us get in front of more people and help this channel to grow. Thank you. That means a lot. As well as the people who've taken it one step farther, they're all scrolling over here on the side, the patrons on Patreon. They are the ones quite literally funding this channel and keeping us going. Without patrons on Patreon, this channel wouldn't exist. So thank you for that. If you'd like to find out more about that, there is information about Patreon down below, or you can click the little join button and become a member here on YouTube. Both of them have special perks and other things that we do. So thank you for that. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Most people will absolutely love a set of pinch rods, unless your name is Rod.